And this might be fast. Bayakula with the championship record in the semi-final. 15.94, Sharma 2, Perrine 3, Dederick 4, Bayakula, Zhou, Alphonse, Montenegro, Subarageshi. The final of the women's 100 meters, T54.
Set.
And they're away. Very good start by Alphonse from Mauritius, and also alongside of Zhou. It'll take a while for Bayakula. Bayakula is not going to take this. It's Naomi Alphonse on the way. Naomi Alphonse from Mauritius, and fighting hard as Subarageshi. Alphonse is going to take it. Ahead of Subarageshi and Zhou. And the Paralympic champion Bayakula didn't get going. She has done it. More history for Mauritius. Naomi Alphonse has defended her title. 16.07. Fantastic for a great athlete. Naomi Alphonse does it again. Well, 2 years ago we were saying she came from nowhere, and she did. She came from way back, and that coach there replied, no, she came from Mauritius. And she did, and she does, and she's won it again. Subarageshi the silver for Turkey, and Zhou Jiaquan gets the bronze. Dederick in fourth, and Leah Bayakula didn't get going at all, and the Paralympic champion is fifth. Good heavens. Montenegro 6, Brandy Perrine 7, Sharma 8, and Naomi Alphonse. Such an emotional victory for a brilliant champion. She has retained her world title. It's a brilliant win. And she's taken down a whole series of other champions along the way. Dederick just lost out. For a moment I thought she might have been up there. And Leah Bayakula was well out of it. But it means an immense amount. It means a huge amount to the country. She just didn't get going at all, did Leah Bayakula. But Naomi Alphonse definitely did. And Subarageshi moving up, looking for her first world crown, and she almost got it. Only 1200s between them, but she was bouncing Alphonse, and she knew at that stage she had the lead, and the win was there, and she got it. Zhou Jiaquan missing out on silver by 300ths. Naomi Alphonse gets the win for Mauritius. They don't have many world champions in anything. And Zhou Jiaquan, look at how delighted she is in A, getting the bronze, and B, this woman getting the gold. She's been around a long time. 2017 was her first World Championship, but every success for her feels like the first time. Naomi Alphonse, the world champion again, 2 in a row. Coached by Jean-Marie Boutirate, Mauritius' first ever Paralympic medalist in this sport, and last year their first ever world champion, and she's world champion again. She missed out on the podium in Paris at the Paralympic Games. She was 4th in the 5, 5th in the 8. Naomi Alphonse for Mauritius retains her world title, 16.07. Subarageshi the silver for Turkey. Zhou Jiaquan the bronze for China. Dederick 4, and Paralympic champion Leah Bayakula in 5th. What an astonishing race. I'm not sure what happened with Bayakula there. I mean, she's a better starter than that. It takes her a while to get going, yes. She was fantastic in Paris. Naomi Alphonse, the realization is there that she had got past them all, that nobody had got past her. Little glance across from Dederick, the awareness there. She has a remarkable life story, by the way. She's only 22, Hannah Dederick, but Naomi Alphonse, the 29-year-old, it feels like she's a newbie still. It's her 5th World Championship, but like Brandy Perrine for so long, was going out in the early stages, who was down the field in the finals. This means a lot to the entire nation, I will tell you that right now. And rightly so. It's a great win, and Alphonse has made it happen again.